Shapes. Manas displays some shapes on the board. He draws a circle, a square, a rectangle and a triangle. He takes out objects from his basket to illustrate the shapes he has made. He draws out a finger ring. Then he pulls out a carom board. He now pulls out an almirah and finally an arrow. The ring represents a circle. The carom board is a square. The almirah is a rectangle. And the arrowhead is a triangle. Nice work, Manas. Relation between solid and plane shapes. Teacher Judy is in the class. She has a sheet of paper spread out on her table. Down drops a cube on the paper. Teacher Judy traces out its surface on the paper to get a square. Now comes a pink rectangular block. Teacher Judy traces the surface to get a rectangle. Now comes a cylinder. Teacher Judy traces the vertical surface to get a circle. We have got your point, ma'am.
Properties of solids. Mickey Mouse slides out of his home through a chute. Down rolls a ball from the chute. The ball is a sphere. It has one face, no vertex and no edge. Here slides a cube with 6 equal faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now slides down a rectangular block. Like a cube, it has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. This time, a cylinder slides down. It has 3 faces, 0 vertex and 2 edges. That is good work, Middy.
Test your skills.
Robbie Mouse is in the garden in front of a shady structure. The pillars are cylinders. The roof and floor are rectangular blocks. The rooftop is a sphere and the pinnacle is a cone. Nice work, Robbie.